Hello everyone, let's learn today's Chinese character.
八
Now, please follow me to learn the pronunciation.
八波啊八八八月八月到了八月就是秋天了。到了八月就是秋天了。八卦八卦中国古代用八卦图进行占卜。中国古代用八卦图进行占卜。八仙八仙，你听过八仙过海的故事吗？你听过八仙过海的故事吗？
Next, let's look at how to write the character. This character is quite simple. It only has 2 strokes, but remember to make the second stroke longer. Be careful not to connect the 2 strokes. Leave a space between them. Make the left stroke shorter, and watch my right stroke must be much longer. The character we learned today looks like it is spreading apart on both sides, but in Chinese culture, it actually symbolizes making a fortune and attracting wealth. Chinese people are very fond of both this character and the number 8. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.